Okay, welcome back to the course. So now in this new section, we will be going into the practical step-by-step on how you can generate the entire WordPress website using AI. Okay, so now this is a new WordPress website that I've just installed on my server. So I can just log in to the dashboard. So once I log into the dashboard, the first thing that you should do is we are going to install a plugin. So go to plugins, add new plugin. Okay. So once you're on this page, I need you to search for a plugin called Starter Template. Okay, so this is the one that we are going to install. So click install now. So this is the plugin that has the ability later on that I'm going to share with you how to use AI. So now you click activate. So once you click the activate button, it will bring you to this screen. Okay, so notice that now there are two options. One is AI website builder, one is classic starter template. So normally for the past several years, I've been using this option that contains a lot of beautiful professional templates for me to choose and use and configure. But recently, this company is collaborating with ZipWP to help us to create a website using AI in a few minutes. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to stop this video for this lesson, and I will continue the rest of the step for the AI website creation in the next video. I'll see you then.